Hello, dear friends. Welcome to my channel Zenus Wisdom. Have you ever wondered how a woman greeting changes when she feels genuine physical attraction? A lot of guys assume it is only the obvious signs like flirtatious eye contact or an exaggerated giggle. But in truth, psychology shows us that the strongest signals of desire are often hidden in those first few moments. She says hello. They are subtle, instinctive, and happen before she even realizes what her body is revealing. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 powerful, yet strange ways women greet a man when that raw attraction is bubbling underneath the surface. And trust me, the last one will shock you because it is so primal that once you notice it, you will never mistake her desire again. So, if you enjoy insights into attraction psychology and want to understand women on a deeper level, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Twit helps more than you know, and you won't miss out on the secrets that most men never discover. The first sign is her breathing. When she feels that spark of chemistry, her nervous system reacts instantly. You may notice her taking a quick, sharp breath like she is literally inhaling your presence, or a delicate little sigh that slips out right before she speaks. This isn't it just nerves twice as biology. Her body is unconsciously preparing for intimacy, and it is almost impossible to fake. Next, there is the smile that vanishes too soon. Many men wait for a big lingering grin, but women who feel a strong sexual pull often reveal something much quicker and far more telling. A private, fleeting smile that flashes across her face before she hides it. It is like her subconscious saying, "I see you in that way." But her conscious mind quickly masks it because it feels too vulnerable to expose. The third giveaway is hidden in her voice. Most people know that attraction can make her tone softer, warmer, or even a little lower. But here is the deeper truth. When she is really turned on, her vocal cords lose subtle control. For a second, that means her greeting might sound a little breathy, with a faint crack or quiver. It is shy, it is delicate, but once you tune your ear to it, you realize her body is betraying just how much she feels drawn to you. Then there is the way she disrupts the normal flow of a greeting. Usually, greetings follow a need script, eye contact, words, maybe a handshake or hug. But when her attraction is strong, she breaks that pattern. She might lean in before speaking, reach for you too soon, or combine touch and words in a slightly rushed way. This isn't awkwardness. It is her instinct trying to skip the rules and close the distance between you as fast as possible. Her body simply can't wait for the usual steps. And finally, the fifth sign, one that gives away primal attraction more than anything else, is the exposure of her pulse points. These are her neck, wrists, and collarbone, places that are biologically sensitive and rich with scent glands. A woman who feels pulled toward you may tilt her head just a little more, sweep her hair to the side, or rest her fingers lightly near her throat. It is not something she is consciously doing, but rather a subconscious invitation. In attraction psychology, this is one of the clearest signals that her desire goes beyond casual interest. Take it as instinctive, raw, and deeply feminine. Now that you know these hidden signs, start paying closer attention during those first moments of a greeting. You will be amazed at what her body language reveals before she even says a word. If you found this eye-opening, remember to give the video a like and subscribe for more insights into dating, dynamics, female psychology, and attraction secrets. This way, UTV will always be one step ahead in reading the signals that most men miss.